What's going on, gang? You feel me? Back with another video. And it's the same day as the last video. If you see me do the front daytime running lights and that clear, vivid, laser type of film, but you notice it looks clear. I'm putting it on. I'm gonna see if I can put it on the back joints. You know, that one video I had the Bio-Hex. Let me show you. If you guys have been following the channel, you know I had the Bio-Hex right there on the turn signal. I had that on the back. But ever since I got into the accident, they had to replace this tail light. So it was only on that one side, so I wasn't gonna ride around on just one side. So I just took it off of both. So now it's just stock, and I guess I'm about to put some rest of this tint on it. Let's try it too. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Another banger. Nah, that should go, guys. You know. Got them all cleaned up. Got to get them tinted up. Now this should go already, gang. 3 layers. All right, here we go, gang. All tinted up. Can you really tell the difference? Come here. You can kind of tell compared to the other one a little bit. As you can, as I said in the other video, it's more of like a cloudy type of hazy look compared to the other one. I can kind of see the rainbow effect they was talking about a little bit now. I guess depends on the angle of the light you're looking at it. But here, guys, tinted and not tinted. What you think? Looking pretty similar, except you can obviously tell that one's a little bit more cloudy-ish, with some type of weird effect going on to it. I don't know if the camera pick it up. But yeah, guys, let's do this other side, and yeah. Already, gang, got this side done. Oh, okay, there we go. You kind of see that. You can kind of see that little effect in it. You see that little color changing: red, green, blue, orange. Okay, I kind of see it. Yeah, I guess it depends on the light. Okay, there we go. You kind of see it. It's real subtle, guys. But yes, sir. Both are done. See what they look like. All different type of angles. Close up. Alright, guys, but yeah, that's it for this video. So now the backs are done. These are the rear turn signals and backup lights. So these are now tinted. I think everything's pretty much tinted now, except for these headlights, because they already have a black housing, so it's no point in me even blacking those out. But yeah, got the same tint on the daytime running lights, and got the front turn signals smoked out in the Bio-Hex. Yes, sir, with the red case. Pretty much it for this video. Until next time.